Hi guys, today I am very excited. I'm very excited. I'm very privileged and also thankful to bring this news. For the first time in the history of financial technology in Kenya and East Africa, this year's accountants breakfast is happening in Nairobi, Kenya, at Villa Rosa Kempinski Hotel on 2nd October 2021. We are bringing all the accountants, we are bringing all financial consultants, talk about tax consultants, talk about auditors, talk about procurement officers, both in public and private sector. Business owners will be having students. We are going to have a very candid conversation about how technological advancement has impacted accounting and finance sector. How has it impacted this industry, which we are part of it? I know after COVID, or rather during that period of COVID-19, a lot of people were entrenched. And many businesses, trust you me, they'll not go back to how they used to do their businesses. Because in this case, during that time, they really accepted that technology can work. Now the big question is, are you ready for the future? Will you be relevant in 3 or 5 years to come from now? Yes, you might be having a very vast experience in accounts, finance, or whichever sector that you are in. You might be having very good knowledge and skills in that area, but the fundamental and key question will be, are you relevant? Will you be relevant in 3 or 5 years to come because of the technological advancements that will be there? You'll find that many companies, instead of working with say like 10 accountants, they'll opt to work with 2 accountants because of this technological advancement. So in this training, in this seminar that we'll be having on 2nd October at Villa Rosa Kempinski, it is going to usher us to a new era of technological advancement in this industry of finance and accounts. So you can't afford to miss this. You can't afford to miss this. And the beauty part of this is that we will be having speakers and trainers from the industry leaders. Like we'll be having speakers from PwC. We'll be having speakers from Kestra. We'll be having speakers from Wasibu Sacco. We'll be having speakers from Kenya School of Government, and so many other concepts that we'll be looking at it. And the beauty part, which is making me to be very excited, we'll also be looking at it practically, how artificial intelligence is changing the landscape of this industry of ours. So you'll find that these are some of the things that makes me to be very excited, and I want you guys also to join. Some of the topics that we'll be discussing and also that we'll be having training on will include the following. Number 1, we will be talking about the aspect of technology in forensic accounting, blockchain technology. I know this could be somehow new to some of us. Also about, and this is a very controversial issue and topic, cryptocurrency. What will be the impact of cryptocurrency in 5 or 3 years to come in the financial sector or industry? It is going to change how businesses are being conducted. And you as a consultants, you as accountants, you should be ready for this. Let us remind ourselves on what happened with the advent of COVID-19. A lot of businesses actually they are entrenched, a lot of people including accountants, and since then nothing has come to normal. One of the main reasons is that most of these businesses, they adopted and accepted that actually technology can work. So instead of me having 10 accountants, you'll find that you're going to cut down all these accountants to 2 accountants. The big question is, with the experience that you're having, with the knowledge that you're having, are you really relevant? Will you be relevant in 5 years or 4 years to come with this advancement of technology? These are some of the questions that we should be asking ourselves, right? Talk about taxation in digital economy. I know majority of you who are watching also this video, I am very sure that you don't know how digital economy is being taxed or the process of how to do all that. I know majority of you don't know that. These are some of the things that we should be prepared with. The other key and fundamental concept and topic will be personal branding for accountants and profession. You want to establish your brand, you should start with yourselves. The key question is, do you know how you can package yourself very well? Do you know how you can kind of present yourself very well? So we're talking about personal branding, which is very important for professions nowadays, which, by the way, we are going to have a discussion on that. The other key element, we'll be talking about young accountants. For young accountants, yes, you might be having that dream. Everyone has a dream. You might be having that dream of opening a consultancy firm. Key and a very controversial concept is always about aspect of capital. Do you have that capital? Probably it might be, or rather it might seem to be very, very hard or difficult for you to obtain this capital. In that seminar, we'll be having experts who will be guiding us on how we can get capital to start our businesses, and also talk about, it's all about entrepreneurship mentorship, which I know a lot of guys, you're going to gain a lot of the same. The other key element that we'll also be discussing on the seminar will be, remember we have so many. The other key, though not least, you'll find that we'll be talking about the aspect to do with artificial intelligence in finance, artificial intelligence in accounts. How is it impacting? How is it impacting this industry of ours? So that seminar is kind of, I can term it as a new era. That will be kind of opening the door for the new era, for the future of accountants. And you must not miss this seminar. The other key question I know you're going to ask is, how am I going to book for this seminar? That will be a very key question that you're going to ask yourself. Below this video, we are having a link. Use that link. It will direct you to a form which you're going to fill. After you fill that form, you're going to get all the directions on how you can book for this seminar. And in case you need any assistance on how to book for this seminar, you can always talk to us on 0708 068 851, the same number that has been displayed just below this video. So guys, let us meet at Kempinski on 2nd October to unleash a new generation of accountants. Thank you so much, guys. Let us meet at Kempinski on 2nd.